G'day YouTube, JB from Oz again here. Thanks for joining us for part 11 of the lathe salvage project. Starting? Yep. Got her out. So we cleaned the top plate off, gave it a coat of Rattle can white, Killeust. I think I might go back and redo this. The Toolpost options is one of the next things we're considering. I've got a Multix A Toolpost that I want to use, or potentially make up some of this Algra or Dixon style two-post holders. We were looking for some material to potentially make up our own two-post holders. And out of the woods came a lump of cast iron from one of Dad's mates down south. There is definitely some rot in this, as you can see. It's a big chunk though, so we figure we'll get some pretty usable cast iron out of this for a number of our projects. I thought it's worth throwing it in the sandblaster, giving it a clean up, and seeing what we actually have underneath all the crap. So it didn't take too long, and we got a good look at it. Here's some of those pictures. Alright, progress with the lathe. That was our start piece. This is the one we've been cutting out of cast. So we just got to transfer shaft hole through, mounting hole through, coat of paint, motor will be on. Lovely. My old fail tool, we're talking about Warmac bench type drilling machine. Made in Taiwan. 45 years horsepower, 45 years old. Shit's as old as me. And look at that, still makes chips. I made some chips last night for dinner as well, but nothing like this. Oh, in the hole. Have you checked the feeds and speeds? Bad deeds.
Is it complaining?
Looks like it's cutting. So we're going to do it 12.5, then ream it to 12. Or 11 point. I better check what the size reaming hole is for 12.
I asked you if I needed to bring anything here.
Oh, the reams are here, aren't they?
No, on the home shop.
We might have to make a reamer then. Or we could lap it in. We can lap it in with a bit of wood towel, some polishing compound. Hey, we're through. schnickety-bick.
Let's clean it up first. Get all the crap out of it, and then it'll be perfect.
Right, moment of truth. Thanks to Mel's awesome work, we now have engine brackets. We've got a belt, we've got a pulley, we've got another pulley, we've got a motor, we've got a VFD. Gearbox, we're currently in 3 gear and high range, H high, and we're on the slow pulley. So we should be getting 420 RPMs at the spindle at full speed. Contact. It's going reverse. That's sounding beautiful. Okay, just flip the wires. Video the second. We have motor, pulleys, stuff on. Okay. Maybe. This is a view down the spindle towards the 4-jaw chuck, so yes, there is light at the end of the tunnel. If you'd like me to make more of these videos, please like, share and subscribe to let me know that you're enjoying it. Thanks guys, see you next time.